This video is designed to help you test your knowledge of English grammar and improve your skills in constructing grammatically correct sentences for everyday speech. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question, followed by an explanation for each answer. Please have a notepad ready to write down your answers. We recommend not pausing the video to ensure the accuracy of the test. If they had caught the train, they wouldn't have been late. This is a third conditional sentence, expressing a past unreal condition. It's essential that she be at the meeting tomorrow. After expressions like "it's essential," we use the subjunctive form of the verb. Had they checked the weather forecast, they wouldn't have gone hiking. Had plus past participle forms an inverted third conditional sentence. I wish I had gone to the party last night. I wish, followed by a past perfect tense, expresses regret about a past event. She acts as if she knew the answer. As if, followed by past simple tense, expresses an unreal situation. I will let you know as soon as he arrives. In time clauses, the present simple is used to talk about future events. If only she had been more confident, she would have asked him. If only, followed by past perfect tense, expresses a past regret. He suggested that we review the proposal. After the verb suggest, we use the subjunctive form of the verb. They will stay home unless it stops raining. In conditional sentences, the present simple is used to talk about future events. I'd rather you told him about it. After I'd rather, the past simple is used to talk about present or future preferences. By this time next year, he will have completed his degree. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. If I had seen him, I would have mentioned it. This is a third conditional sentence expressing a past unreal condition. She behaves as though she were in charge. As though, followed by past simple tense, expresses an unreal situation. It's important that he understand everything. After expressions like "it's important," we use the subjunctive form of the verb. If I were you, I would apply for the job. In second conditional sentences, were is used for all subjects to express unreal present situations. I wish you were more careful with your belongings. I wish, followed by past simple tense, expresses a desire for a present unreal situation. She insisted that he tell the truth. After the verb insist, we use the subjunctive form of the verb. By the time they arrive, we will have finished dinner. The future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed by a certain future time. It's high time you knew the truth. It's high time is followed by past simple to express that something should be done already. Had she left earlier, she would be here now. Had plus past participle forms an inverted third conditional sentence. With 15 to 20 correct answers, you can consider yourself to have a very good knowledge for everyday communication. However, don't forget to practice speaking English regularly to develop fluency. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Good luck with your learning.